Video number 9, complex number, properties of modulus of a complex number. First property number 1, modulus of z square is equal to z into z bar. Second property, modulus of z is equal to modulus of z bar. Third property, modulus of z1 plus z2 is less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. Fourth property, modulus of z1 into z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Fifth property, modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 divisible by modulus of z2. z2 is not equal to 0. Then property number 6, modulus of z1 minus z2 greater than or equal to whole modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2. Then property number 7, modulus of z to the power n is equal to modulus of z to the whole power n. Real part of the complex number, real part of z less than or equal to modulus of z. Imaginary part of z is less than or equal to modulus z. The distance between the points z1 and z2 in complex number modulus of z1 minus z2. This is way to find. Example 2.10. Find the following. First subdivision. Modulus of 1 plus I whole bar into 2 plus 3i into 4i minus 3. Now I using that property, I write here whole modulus and separate modulus. So that 1 plus I bar separate modulus, 2 plus 3i separate modulus, 4i minus 3 separate modulus. Bar meaning is conjugate. So 1 plus I whole bar is equal to 1 minus I. This separate modulus. Again I write same. What is the work of modulus means real part square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part equal to 1, so 1 square, imaginary part minus 1 to the whole square in square root of. And second term, real part equal to 2, 2 square, imaginary part equal to 3, 3 square. Square root of 2 square plus 3 square. Third part, square root of real imaginary part value equal to 4 square plus real part value equal to minus 3 to the whole square. So 1 square plus 1 square square root of 2. 2 square equal to 4. 3 square equal to 9. 4 plus 9, 13. Square root of 13. 4 square equal to 16. Minus 3 to the whole square equal to 9. 16 plus 9 square root of 25. These twos are, you never take without the square root, so that it twos are multiplication is equal to 26. And 25 is a square number. So without square root, I write here 5 into root 26. Subdivision 2, I into modulus of I into 2 plus I to the whole cube divisible by 1 plus I to the whole square. Now it is common modulus. Now I write separate modulus numerator as well as denominator. So I separate modulus and second term of 2 plus I whole cube divisible by 1 plus I whole square. So you know that modulus work is real part, imaginary part value equal to 1, real part value equal to 0. So no need to find the 0 square. So directly I take 1 square. Then second part, real part value equal to 2 square plus imaginary part value equal to 1 square divisible by to the whole cube. And real parts value equal to 1, so 1 square, imaginary part value equal to 1 square to the whole square. To the whole square. Now I write 1 in the rooted, it is equal to 1. Then 2 square equal to 4, 1 square equal to 1 to the whole cube. Then square root of 1 square equal to 1 plus 1 square equal to 1. So 1 plus 1. Right here 1 into anything the same number. So root 5 to the whole square divisible by root 2 to the whole square is equal to 2. Square root will be cancelled. So root cube value, root of 5 to the whole cube equal to 5 into root 5 divisible by 2. Example 2.12. If Z1, Z2 and Z3 are complex number such that modulus of Z1 is equal to modulus of Z2 is equal to modulus of Z3 is equal to modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1. Find the value of modulus of 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3 is equal to what? Since, solution, listen, since Z1 is equal to Z2 is equal to Z3, that means modulus of Z1 is equal to modulus of Z2 is equal to modulus of Z3 equal to 1. Now I take the each terms are equal to 1. So modulus of Z1 is equal to 1. Modulus of Z1 is equal to 1. Taking squaring on both sides. So modulus of Z1 to the whole square, 1 square equal to 1. This value I replace in our property is that modulus of Z1 is equal to Z1 into Z1 bar to the whole square equal to producing the properties is equal to 1. We want to Z1 bar. That's why 1 divisible by Z1. Similarly, Z2 also. Modulus of Z2 to the whole square equal to 1. Now I write the using property Z2 into Z2 bar is equal to 1. Z2 bar I want. So 1 by Z2. Then third, Z3, modulus of Z3 to the whole square equal to 1. So Z3 into Z3 bar is equal to 1. Z3 bar I want. So 1 by modulus without modulus Z3. And then is a given clearly modulus of 1 by Z1 plus given clearly modulus of 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3. Now I replace 1 by Z1 is equal to Z1 bar plus 1 by Z2 equal to Z2 bar. 1 by Z3 is equal to Z3 bar. This is separate bar. Using again one property, whole bar. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar is equal to, you know that the modulus of Z is equal to modulus of Z bar, both are same. That's why I write here Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Already we know that this value equal to what? 1. So we will find. Therefore, 1 by modulus of 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3 is equal to 1. And example 2.13, if Z modulus of Z equal to 2, show that 3 less than or equal to modulus of Z plus 3 plus 4i less than or equal to 7. Let Z1 equal to, we will take 3 plus 4i. 3 plus triangle inequality formula, whole modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2 is less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Is clearly we know that Z1 equal to 3 plus I4. So modulus of Z1 is equal to real part square 3 square 9. Imaginary part is 4 square is equal to 16. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. We get it 5. Already question clearly given, modulus of Z equal to 2. Now I replace that z1 is equal to z, and second part z2 is equal to z1. Now I replaced. That's why the modulus of z1 value, that meaning is z value equal to 2, I replaced here from this formula. So modulus of z2 value now only I find, so that value equal to 5. So whole modulus 2 minus 5 less than or equal to z plus z1, less than or equal to z1 value equal to 2 and z2 value equal to 5. Then subtraction value minus 3, modulus of less than or equal to z plus z1, less than or equal to these 2's are adding value equal to 7. Then modulus work is negative value will becoming positive. So minus 3 plus 3 less than or equal to z plus z1 less than or equal to 7. Now I substitute that z equal to z, z1 z equal to z, z1 equal to 3 plus 4i. So show it. Homework. Thank you, children.